Hello everyone, my name is Sukhsagar Dubey. I am pursuing my master in quantum technology in IISc Bangalore. I did my graduation in electrical engineering from NIT Hamirpur in 2018. Before joining this program, I worked for L&T in 3 years. I am a person who likes technology, innovation, and research. So one day I got to know about the quantum technology. I searched about it. Uh, It has various applications in physics, chemistry, optimization, machine learning, and many more. Experts believe that this technology can create a revolution. And I search about it, and in that time, India also launched a quantum mission. So all these things excites me to join this program. The major things which also excites me is it is just starting. So uh, look at we have a, superconducting lab here. So it's occupy complete room. It's cooling system. It's a control system. Initially, when I joined this program, I was newbie to various courses. So I struggled few months, but I wins against all the odds. Uh, there is good faculty, it's very supporting faculty, and there is not only one department here. We can there is labs for quantum tech in various departments. So we can join anyone up to individual interest. Uh, um, I can see a drastic change in myself if I compare to the from beginning before the 2 years. So, uh, in terms of confidence, in terms of taking risk capability, and in terms of surviving during arts. So, and the biggest achievement of this program, which I feel, is uh, the research capability which I have developed. So now I am exploring various ideas. Some may work, some may fail, but this journey is quite exciting. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Uday. I'm from a remote village, Dantapalli, near west part of Andhra Pradesh. I'm a current MTech student at IISc Bangalore. I'm going to share my journey and motivation behind opting for this course. I'm always interested in a technology that has potential to change the world, and that was the first time when I was in undergraduate I heard about quantum technology and its potential to revolutionize the fields like communication, computation, and cryptography. I was fascinated by the idea of applying quantum mechanics to develop new technologies. Fortunately, IISc has introduced this program in the year 2021 and I applied for it. This is how I entered into this program, and studying quantum technology is very challenging, and if you are up for the challenges, then rewards can be great. Here, the faculty at IISc are some of the best in the world. They helped me in gaining the deep understanding of the quantum mechanics and its applications in technology. One of the most exciting things about this field is that we'll get opportunity to work with best minds on real world problems, and you have access to advanced labs, and we have cryogenic refrigerator. You can explore that as well, and the research community in this field is very active. You can always collaborate and learn from others. Concluding remarks and my future plans. Whether it's through teaching, research, or industry, I know that I want to make a difference in this world through the power of quantum technology. I'm going to explore the industrial part after my MTech. Later, I'm going to focus on security of systems with the help of quantum technology. Thank you.
So hi, my name is Anurag Prasad. I'm pursuing my master's in quantum technology here in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. And little bit about my background. So I am from Odisha. I did my bachelor's in instrumentation and electronics engineering from College of Engineering and Technology, Bhubaneswar. So when I was studying electronics, I would have a subject something called physics of semiconductor devices, and I hated that because there was some quantum mechanics in it, and I always wanted to learn quantum mechanics, but since it was an engineering degree, so I never got a chance, and it was so frustrating to me. So after many years, so when I graduated, and then I applied to GATE and got qualified, and I was applying for the different branches in electronics like VLSI or control engineering. In IISc, I came across the field quantum technology also. So that was being offered for the first time, but I did applied for it, though it was my last preference, but I did because I wanted to pursue it because quantum mechanics has always fascinated me. So then I gave the interview, though I didn't think that I did that well, but it was so nice experience that I wanted to give it the next year. Like I thought that okay, it's okay that the interview didn't go that well this time, but I will give it the next time and I will do better and try to get into this field because that interview was so nice of an experience. And then, but somehow I got selected, and I still remember the goosebumps that I felt when I heard the news that I have been selected for IISc in quantum technology. It was so nice, but I was confused because of the job perspective because it was quite a new field and I didn't know about the what about the job perspectives. But then I wrote mails to some professors and they said that okay, you have to be adventurous. And after I have came here, and this has nothing less than sort of a adventure. So yeah, I am very happy that I pursued this and I chose to chose to pursue this field even though my first instinct was to not, because I have always liked quantum mechanics. I mean the idea that electron being a particle and it has some thing to do with a wave, and what is that wave, I mean, that had intrigued me for so many years, and I got to learn that when I came here, and it was so, I mean, it was so illuminating. And quantum mechanics, for me, quantum mechanics has always been so weird but so so beautiful. I mean, the concepts that are like just some kind of probabilities playing their roles. I mean, it is just so nice. And after coming here, so the courses and the assignments and everything, that they have always just strengthened me because they have pushed my thought process even more forward to think, think in that way, think in a quantum perspective, think that the world is not deterministic but it's probabilistic and whatever. I mean, fancy words, but they are I mean, I have really loved this experience till now. So I also did my internship in a company called Confluence, and it was my internships was mostly theoretical and simulations. I got to learn about quantum optics, something called Gaussian boson sampling. That was also completely new and completely. I mean, to see that okay, the light itself is also not deterministic. It is also probabilistic. All of it has always like been very very nice. So that was my experience. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Avinash and I'm doing my MTech in quantum technology. So I come from Mirzapur. You heard about in Mirzapur series, and I did my bachelor's in electrical engineering, and transforming from electrical engineering to this program is quite challenging, but at the end it was rewarding. And currently I'm doing a project under Balasar. So this lab can achieve a temperature up to the 30 to 50 millikelvin, which is difficult. But all the quantum technologies are working can work at this temperature because it's work on the superconducting principle. So this and this lab also work on RF electronics, and which is also quite useful. In under this program we explored a lot of fields like quantum computing, quantum materials, and quantum sensing. And it kind of it cover a wide range of topics like quantum computing. It can simulate a natural processes. So we get to explore, we get exposed to lot of fields which is quite useful, and quite useful, and we have exposed to lot of things. So in this program we get exposed to a lot of topics like quantum simulation and quantum sensing and everything. And thank you.